Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. My students, today we will start chapter number 4 integers. Yes, students, you know very well whole numbers start with 0 and natural numbers start with 1. Yes, natural numbers and whole numbers start with 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and natural number 1 2 3 4 like that. Yes, numbers 0 1 2 3 4 etc, and if we write these with negative sign -1 -2 -3 -4 like that, these numbers together are called integers. Means if we will take positive 1 2 3 4 and if we will take negative numbers -1 -2 -3 -4 in a combination, then we will say these are integers. Yes, with positive sign these are called positive integer, and with negative sign these are called negative integers. Yes, one important point is 0 is a whole number whose negative integer is also 0. Yes, this is important point. We can say 0 is uh, not a positive nor a negative. Okay, next is absolute value of an integer. Yes, the whole number obtained by omitting the positive or negative sign of an integer is called absolute value or numerical value. Yes, this is denoted by writing the integer between two vertical poles, such as, yes, these are two vertical poles, and between this there is the integer 2 and -3. Yes, look at the example. 3 or plus 3, the absolute value of 3 is 3 or plus 3, 3. -3, absolute value of -3, 3. And -5 if it, inside the poles, then we can say absolute value of -5 is 5. And absolute value of 0 is 0. Now student, use of negative numbers. Mathematical statements carrying opposite senses can be expressed by negative numbers. Yes, can understand this with example. Student, if we have to represent a profit of 100 rupees, then we will represent this profit with positive sign. Yes, 100 rupees. And if we have to represent loss of 100 rupees, then we will represent this with negative sign. Yes, loss is equal to -100 rupees. Yes, uh, distance. If we are measuring a distance between P and Q, total distance is 15 meter. If we are measuring this from P to Q, means we have to find out the distance from P to Q. We are moving towards right hand side. It means we will write this. If we are moving towards right hand side, plus 15 meter. Okay, this is the distance from P to Q. P to Q. And if we are finding the distance from Q to P, we are moving towards left hand side, then distance will be same, but we will represent this with negative sign. We are moving towards left hand side, and distance will be Q to P is equal to -15 meter. Okay, yes, if we are measuring height of the sea level, then we will represent this with positive sign. Yes, suppose we are measuring height of height of 20 meter above the sea level, then we will represent this with positive sign. And if we are measuring depth of 20 meter below the sea level, then height will be minus 20 meter. Okay. Yes, these are the uses of negative numbers. Some important points. These will help us in solving the exercise. First rule is here, while comparing two positive integers, the one with the greater absolute value is greater. Yes, one with the greater absolute value will be greater. Yes, plus 8 greater than plus 5. Second point is, while comparing two negative integers, the one with the smaller absolute value is greater. Yes, if we are comparing minus 1 and minus 3, then both of them, minus 1 will be greater than minus 3. Yes. Next is, every positive integer is greater than all negative integers. And the fourth is, all positive integers are greater than 0. All the positive integers are greater than 0 and all negative integers are less than 0. Yes, plus 7 is greater than 0 and minus 7 is less than 0. Okay. And next thing is representation of integers on the number line. Yes student, for this we will draw a straight line like this. Okay, then we will put a point O. Okay, and here we will point O, we will write here 0. Yes, this is called origin. Okay, from this origin, if we are moving towards right hand side, then we will represent positive integers, and if we are moving towards left hand side, here we will represent negative integers. Yes, you can understand this. Yes, here O, at O here 0. Yes, and A1, A2, A3, A4, these are positive integers. Yes, on right hand side. And on left hand side, B1, B2, B3, B4, these are negative integers. Yes, and distance will be same between two points. Yes, OA1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to 1 centimeter. Now student, come to the exercise. Yes, question number 1 is here. Write the absolute values of the following integers. Yes, absolute value. Plus 13, absolute value is 13. Minus 31, absolute value 31. 10, absolute value 10. Minus 42, absolute value 42. Yes. Student, rest part of this question number 1, try yourself. Come to the question number 2. Yes. Find the value of each of the following. First part, yes, minus 12 plus 12. If we will remove this two polar sign, then we will get positive 12. Means this is the absolute value of minus 12 plus 12. On adding both of this, we are getting 24. Second part, plus 14 minus 14. Yes. First, we will find the absolute value of plus 14, that is 14, and put the negative sign. And absolute value of minus 14 is 14. 14 minus 14, 0 will be answer. Next is third part. 7 plus minus 7. 7 plus 7, and here absolute value of minus 7 will be 7. 7 plus 7, 40. Yes, next is 53 minus 35. 53 minus an absolute value of this minus 35 will be 35. 53 minus 35, 18. This is the answer. Now come to the question number 3. Yes, student. In question number 3, he is saying if plus 25 stands for a profit of rupees 25, then what is the number that will show a loss of 10 rupees? Here we will use positive and negative integer. Yes, plus 25 stands for the profit of rupees 25 and minus 10 stands for the loss of rupees minus 10. Minus here we will put minus 10 rupees. Okay, and plus 25 for the profit. In B part, he is saying if plus 6 stand for a displacement of 6 meter towards the east, then what is the number that will show a displacement of 4 meter towards the west? Yes, we are moving in opposite side. Yes, if we are moving towards east, we have to use positive sign, and if we are moving towards west, then we have to use negative sign. Okay. Yes, plus 6 stands for a displacement of 6 meter towards the east. Yes, here we will use negative minus 4 meter. Yes, put here minus 4. Minus 4 meter stands for a displacement of 4 centimeter, 4 meter. Yes, towards the west. If we are moving in opposite side, we have to use negative sign. Rest part of this question number 3 you will try yourself, C and D. Come to the question number 4. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal to sign. Yes. In first part, plus 2 and minus 2. Yes. Yes, positive integer is greater than negative integer. In this case, plus 2 will be greater than minus 2. Second, 4 and minus 41. Yes, positive integer will be greater than negative. 7 plus 15, both are positive. In this case, 15 will be greater than 7. In fourth, minus 13 and minus 3. Here, minus 3 will be greater than minus 13. Why? If we are comparing two negative integers, the one with the smaller absolute value is greater. Yes, here minus 3 is greater than minus 13. Next, fifth. Minus 19 and minus 91. Yes, which one will be greater? Minus 19. And in 6, plus 23 and plus 3, yes, both are positive, greater number will be greater. Rest part try yourself in question number 4. Come to question number 5. Write the integers from minus 3 to plus 3. Yes, we have to start from minus 3. Yes, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. These are the required integers between minus 3 to plus 3. Come to next one. Here, B part, write all integers, write all the negative integers that are greater than minus 10. Yes, greater than minus 10 means we have to take minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Yes, after this there is 0. Yes, which one is not negative? That's why we will take from minus 9 to minus 1. Next, question number 6, write the integers. In first part, he is asking 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4, 0 minus 1 in the ascending order. Ascending order means we have to start from smallest one. And smallest one means we have to take negative. Smallest negative, that is minus 3. And after this, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. This is the ascending order. Okay. In second part, we have to write all these given integers in the descending order. Descending means we have to write greatest one. And the greatest one is here positive 11. Then less than this 8, 6, minus 4, minus 5, minus 11. Smallest is minus 11. This is descending order. In question number 7, represent the following integers on the number line. Yes. In question number 1, all the even positive integers that are less than 10. All the even positive integers. Yes. And in second, all the odd negative integers that are greater than minus 8. Okay, let's start. We have to represent these on number line. In first part, all even positive integers less than 10. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the positive integers are here? Yes, positive even integers. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, yes. Here first we will draw a straight line like this. Here we will take O as a origin and 0 we will take here at this O, and here 2 is represented by 2 even positive number by B, and 4 represented by D, 6 represented by F, 8 positive integer, this is represented by H. Yes, means we can say even integers are here B, D, F, H. Okay. In second part, all odd negative integers that are greater than minus 8. Yes. First we will write the total greater than 8 negative integer, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Yes. First we will draw a straight line, and here we will take O as a origin. Yes. And we will put here 0. And negative integers we have to take, that's why we will take some points at equal distance from 0 origin to left hand side. Yes, a1, a2, a3, a4, like that. Yes, minus a1, minus a2, minus 3, these are representing minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, respectively negative integers. Yes, and odd we have to find. Odd, yes, first we will take a1, second a3, a5, a7 with negative sign. Okay, these are odd negative integers. Third and fourth, try yourself. In question number 8, identify the integers denoted by the points marked on the following numbers. Yes, first one, O, this represents origin. Yes, 0 is here. If we will move from here towards right hand side, these are positive, and if we will move from this origin towards left hand side, these are negative integers. Yes, come to this A. Yes, start from the origin 1, 2, we can say this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Yes, A represent minus 5. B -1, -2, B at -3. Yes, A is equal to -5, B is equal to -3. Now come to the C, 1 and 2. C is equal to 2, positive integer. Okay, second part try yourself. Up to the next video. Thank you.